Hi sir, ASN Techno Service, all our location Bangalore Service Center sir. It is washing machines, refrigerators, microwave air conditioners, TVs, LED, LCD, plasma, televisions, all location Bangalore Service Center, JP Nagar, Jayanagar, Kovaramangala, Electronic City, Whitefield, all location Bangalore Service Center, spare part replacement, genuine sir, motherboard repair and replacement, drum front load washing machine, drum and triangle bearings, oil seals, replace and repair sir, washing machine front load, top load, digital and enter model, direct washing machine, all types of microwave, grill microwave, convention microwave, and air conditioner, refrigerator, front window AC, split AC, gasket AC, all types of air conditioner repair, and uh, yes, the TVs, LED, LCD, plasma, all types of all brands repair at your doorstep service, sir. Refrigerator, side by side, dias, and side by side dias. Big service, big refrigerator, all brand service at your doorstep, all our location, Bangalore service, experienced technicians available, sir. 10 years experienced technicians available, spare part replacement, genuine company spare parts, sir. 350 rupees visiting charges, spare part replacement, 3-month warranty, motherboard replace and repair warranty, 3 months sir, 350 visiting charges at your doorstep sir. Screen number, this contact now, please subscribe sir. Hi sir, how are sir?